Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopefully with the grace of Allah Almighty you all are hale and healthy. We have studied the lesson number 9, the foolish quack. Today we will do exercise of this lesson. Open page number 59 of your textbook. Okay, question number 1. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Where did the travelers stay? In an inn, in a jungle, in a haveli, under a clump of trees. Yes, the correct answer is under a clump of trees. Why did the camel fall ill? Yes, by the heat stroke, by infection, when a melon stuck in its throat, or by poison. Which answer is correct? When a melon stuck in its throat. Number 3. Why? What did a quack claim to cure? Yes, fever, goiter, headache, injury. The correct answer is goiter. What happened to the throat of an old woman? A option, infectious, swollen, C, wounded, D, paining. Yes, the correct answer is B, swollen. Number 5. What punishment did the villagers propose on the death of the old woman? Yes, to pay the damages, to be persecuted, to dig her grave, or to be imprisoned. The correct answer is to dig her grave. Number 6. How was the quack treated when he had dug the grave? Yes, honored, rewarded, beaten well, fined. Which answer is correct? Beaten well. Beaten well is the correct answer. What was the effect of punishment on the quack? Yes, uninfluenced, influenced, left the profession, returned disgusted. Which answer is correct? Yes, the correct answer is uninfluenced, right? What was the condition the quack suggested before treating the old man? Yes, to lay the old man on the bed, not to be compelled to dig the grave, not to be made responsible for the death of the man, to have the fee first. Yes, which answer is correct? The correct answer is not to be compelled to dig the grave. Next is, why did the quack return to the camel man instead of continuing his profession? To befool them, to inquire the cause of death of an old woman, or to blame them to get his luggage. Yes, which answer is correct? The correct answer is to inquire the cause of death of an old woman. Number 10. Who was proved stupid? The camel man, old woman, the quack, a villager. Yes, which is the correct answer? The quack. The quack is the correct answer. Number 2. Second question is, mark the sentences as true or false. With the blow of mallet, the melon broke in the throat of the camel. Yes, this is true or false? This is true. Next, the camel swallowed the broken melon and felt all right. Yes, this answer is correct. The quack cured the old woman. This is false. The quack was compelled to dig the grave. Yes, this answer is correct. The villagers of next village refused to get the old man treated. Yes, this answer is also correct. The quack returned to the camel man to tell them that they had shown the right way to cure the disease. Yes, this answer is false. This statement, right? This statement is false. The camel can beat the blow of a mallet but not the old man. Yes, this statement is true. There was little effect of the blow of whip on the camel. Yes, this statement is true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Next question is, answer the following questions. What is a clump of trees? Yes, clump of trees क्या होता है? A clump of trees is a group of trees growing very close together or very near to one another. It may mean an oasis, means Nakhlistan. What was struck in camel's throat? Yes, what was struck? A melon. Melon was struck in the camel's throat. What did the quack pretend to cure? Yes, he pretended to cure goiter. What did the quack do with the old woman? Yes, the quack tied a blanket round old woman's throat and hit it hard with a mallet. What was the result of the cure? Yes, what was the result? The result was that the old woman died instantly. Number 6. What was the punishment inflicted upon the quack by the villagers? Yes, the villagers punished him by forcing him to dig the grave of the old woman. After this, they beat him hard and let him go. For whom did the quack dig the grave? Yes, he dug the grave for the old woman whom he had killed. So, old woman's grave was there. He dug. What did the quack do in the next village? In the next village, the quack again announced that he was there to cure goiter. So he asked the villagers not to force him to dig the grave of the old man if he died. Yes, the next question is, why didn't the villagers let the old man get cured? Yes, when the quack talked about the grave of the old man before starting the treatment, they thought him to be a pretty sort of doctor. Means they thought that he was not the actual doctor and they did not allow him to cure the old man. Why did the quack come back to the camel man? Yes, the quack came back to the camel man to learn the right way to cure the disease, to cure goiter. Yes, answer the following questions. How did the camel man cure their camel? Yes, a melon was stuck in the throat of the camel. They tied a blanket round its neck and hit it hard with a mallet. The melon broke and was swallowed easily. How did the quack try to cure the old woman? Yes, the quack tied a blanket around her throat, around her neck you can say, and hit it hard with a mallet. She could not bear it and died instantly. How did the quack come to realize his error? Yes, when the camel man taught the quack the difference between a camel and a human, he realized his error. How did the camel man prove the stupidity of the quack? Yes, the camel man proved the quack's stupidity by showing him the difference between a man and a camel. Means what he did? He hit the camel with a stick that was having the iron nails, and he also hit that man, that quack, with the same stick, so he could not bear it and he learned the difference between a man and a camel. What lesson does the story teach? The story teaches us that we should not pretend to be what we are not, otherwise we will suffer a lot. Or you can say that a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. We should not show our little knowledge to others or in front of others to make them realize that we know a lot. Next question is, use the correct forms of verbs given in brackets in the following sentences. Okay, note the verbs given in the brackets. You have to change them into second form of verbs. Then use the following phrasal verbs in your own sentences. So few phrasal verbs are given to you. Break in means बात काटना. Break out means किसी नाखुशगवार चीज़ का शुरू हो जाना. ब्रेक ऑफ मीन्स गुफ्तगू अचानक बंद कर देना, और ब्रेक डाउन मीन्स किसी मशीन वगैरह का रुक जाना. यू हैव टू मेक sentences from these phrasal verbs or using these phrasal verbs. Next, punctuate the following lines. Do not perceive, you have to put D capital. Do not perceive, it's a dialogue and you have to put it into inverted commas, and as it is a question, you have to put question mark at the end of this statement, at the end of this question. Answered the camelman, you have to put full stop after camelman. I will be capital. I wish to show you that what is good for camels is not therefore good for poor old men and women. After that you have to put full stop, and this is dialogue, so you have to put it into inverted commas. Next, the passage is given to you and you have to answer the questions given at the end. So this passage is from your textbook. You can read it and you can answer the questions easily. Okay, read and understand this lesson thoroughly. Take care. Allah Hafiz.